All right, for this dance, weight is going to start on your left. You're going to start with a right scuff. You're going to hitch your leg up, and then you're going to step your toe down. Do a heel swivel out to the right, bring it back, and then kick it forward. Bring it, step back behind. Slide the left foot up beside it. As soon as it gets beside it, you're going to bring it back and do a coaster step. So your weight is back on your left, because now you're going to do a diagonal step forward on your right. Touch with your left beside it, diagonal step with the left, touch beside it. Then you're going to step down and do a hip swivel to the right, hip swivel to the left, and then you're going to do a grapevine to the right. At the end of that grapevine, you're going to clap, and then you're going to do 2 quarter turns to the left. So 1, 2, and then you're going to do a weave that's kind of syncopated. So it goes like this. Back over. So now this foot is crossed over. Your left is crossed over your right. You're going to bring your right back around. You're going to step and you're going to slide the left. Then you're going to take another step with your right. Only this time when you slide your left, you're going to hitch and make a quarter turn. And then you're going to do a half turn. And then you're going to do a half turn shuffle. So your weight is on your left. And now you're ready to scuff. Start the dance over again.
1 and 2. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, there's a restart on wall 9. You'll do the first 8 counts and then you'll restart the dance. So we'll just walk through that now. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.